can't hear you.
It's 11 o'clock at night. Adrian's being annoying, trying to figure out how to fix his YouTube channel because he's making a new one.
It's almost 12:30, idiot.
I don't care.
That's better. See my fingers in here? I'm using an iPad, so...
My fingers on my ass, so you wouldn't
Let's
see.
see. Finger. Ha ha ha.
They're joking. Do you remember what Jack said? Mr. Piggy, did you sleep well?
Oh, thank. Did you hear what I said there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do a burping.
If you guys hear, like, background music, blame Adrian. It's
Do a
him.
burp.
He's doing, like, the funny background stuff.
Do a burp now.
Oh, yeah, baby.
I can help you if